Want to enable USB debugging on your Galaxy S26 Ultra? Here's a quick way to turn it on and what to do if it's grayed out. First, open Settings, then scroll down till the end and enter About Phone. Then scroll down to Software Information. Scroll down to Build Number and then tap 7 times on it to enable USB debugging. Enter Screen Lock when prompted. Developer mode will be enabled on your Galaxy S26. Now let's force quit this section and then relaunch Settings on your S26. Scroll down till the end and under About Phone, you will see Developers Options. Enter the option. Scroll down until you find USB debugging. But in case it's showing grayed out, relaunch Settings once again. Scroll down and enter Security and Privacy. Scroll down once again, and if Auto Blocker is enabled, just toggle it off. Put down your screen lock if prompted to activate the settings. On this pop-up, you can press OK for now. Now, if you go back to the USB debugging option once again, you will see it's not grayed out anymore. Just turn it on and press OK in this pop-up to allow it. And that's how simple it is to turn on USB debugging. Thanks for being with us.